Hi everyone, this is Chef McIsaac, and I just wanted to talk you through a couple steps whenever you are starting your My IUP account. On this page, you will see the information that you need to go ahead and get your My IUP account set up if you have not done that yet. This information should be mailed to you as well as possibly communicated through email means, so look for that if you have not received it yet. Ensure that you follow the steps so that you can have your account set up, and then we are going to go over what happens once you access your My IUP account. When you type in my.iup.edu, it will bring you to a login page. After you have created your account with your own personal password, you will then be able to log in. I'm going to log into my account so I can show you just a few places where you will need to visit. You can see that, again, this is my personal account. When this is your account, you will see your name up here in the right-hand corner. And a lot of very helpful resources. Again, this is the My IUP portal that will connect you to a lot of different things that you will use while you are a student here at IUP. The main purpose of this video was to show you where you would come to access your D2L. D2L is the online format that we use whenever we are putting materials up for students to see through classes or for classes. You will also use this D2L to complete parts of your Culinary Works weekend. So please make sure that you click on D2L and your login will be the same. You may be asked to log in again, or it might connect you right to it. So here, this has logged me into my D2L, and all you would need to do is click on this grid box up here to select a course. Once you select that, you should be able to see your Culinary Works. Go ahead and click on that and explore the different areas in what you have to look over. This is where you will come again to find many of your courses. They may not be open yet, but check back often. They will absolutely be open before the start of the fall semester. Many instructors will open them just a few days before class, but if they have the ability to open it up a week early, perhaps you would be able to go ahead and start looking over and reading some of those course materials. So I look forward to seeing you in the fall semester, and I hope your summer is going very good. And thank you for watching this short video, and I hope it helps you find your way around D2L.